Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Heather Rasmussen, and I just wanted to welcome you to 714 this term. In this class, you'll be learning a lot about yourself and how you'll apply that to yourself in leadership. And I just wanted to tell you a little bit about me as we get started in this course. I'll be your instructor this term, and you'll get messages from me and also Dr. Kristen Ketting-O'Byrne, also known as Dr. KK. She sent a video earlier today. She's the lead of this course, so we'll be hearing from her throughout this term as well. But I'm really excited to have you in this course this term. My background is actually as a psychologist, and I have a background in assessment and positive psychology. And so all of the concepts we'll be talking about this term really hit home for me and are really part of my background. So I hope that you find this class is interesting and helpful to you as a leader, as I hope that you will. I live in Lawrence, Kansas with my husband and two children. I have an 11-year-old daughter and a 7-year-old daughter. We also have two dogs. You might hear one of them in the background, a somewhat angry bunny and two fish. And we keep ourselves busy with family activities. We love to travel. We love to do things together as a family, read, eat good food, have family game nights, that kind of thing. So anyway, just wanted to pop in really quick and say hello and welcome again so you can put a face to the name as we go through this term. Anytime you have questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me or Dr. KK. We're here for you. We want you to be successful in the course, and we hope that you enjoy this course in self-assessment. So again, welcome.